Welcome to EPIT Labs Private Limited. Today we came with a new project. This is about smart energy meter that will limit the units consumption to the loads, consumer loads. So this total device is controlled by ESP32, and the sensors connected is uh, ZMPT 103B voltage sensor and a CT current sensor. And here we are using a resistive load 60 watt bulb for as a load, and with a controlling with a switch, and LCD display with connected with I2C to monitoring all the values. Here you can see in the LCD display, here V means voltage and I means current. Here U means it's units consumed in kilowatt hour. It is currently 0.0001 unit kilowatt hour, and power factor is 0. And because I have not turned on any load, so now we'll turn on the device, turn on the loads, and let's see the values of the all the parameters, and turn on the switch. So here I have turned on 60 watt AC bulb, and let's see values in the LCD display. So here voltage is 242 and current is 0.28, and power factor is almost 1.00. It means unity, and the units are increasing to 0.005, 0.000, and it's keep on increasing. So I have limited this device to 0.008 units. So let's see whether it will trigger a buzzer or not. So it has to trigger the buzzer after limiting the set value. So here the value is 0.009 and 0.00110 units. So that's why the buzzer has triggered, and this limit set value is given from the application. So currently I don't have the application, so I will show with the database. So here in the database I have given energy meter set value 0.008. So when I give this value to the device will detect the set value from the database, and it will browse the data, and it will compare the set value and the current value, and it will trigger the buzzer. So this is how this smart energy meter will works, and thank you.